Hello, future mommies. Dr. Dan Aronson here. Today we're getting down to the basics and how to eat healthy. I just pulled into Sprouts Health Food. So we're going into Sprouts and we're going to get some spinach today because this is going to give us the folic acid that we need. Great. I use the rewards program. That works out really well. I recommend people do that. Hello, future mommies. Dr. Dan Aronson here, once again continuing our series on how to prepare for a healthy pregnancy. Today we're talking about cooking. I'm all set. And today I'm going to teach you how to make the most delicious snack out of spinach. I just went to the store, got myself a box of organic chopped spinach. It's 113 grams of spinach, and this supplies at least 35-40% of the folic acid you need daily. And you wonder, how could I possibly eat all this? Well, first of all, it compacts down. This is pre-washed spinach. I like it pre-washed. I'm going to put this whole bowl in here. All this in one bowl. Now, notice I'm not adding water. When you add water, a lot of the vitamin actually escapes, and spinach is 90% water anyway. So not necessary to add water, just pack it in there. And I use the trusty microwave. I'll give it a minute and 45 seconds. No water added. Okay, we're done cooking. 1 minute and 45 seconds. And you saw how big that spinach was. Look at how it's all compacted down. I didn't add any water. Now for the secret sauce. I love this product, Smart Balance. It has the omega-3, really good for the kids growing up and especially women preparing for pregnancy and during pregnancy. And I add basically about a teaspoon. And then I stir that in there. Makes it nice and creamy. And I'll show you once again how little spinach there is now. Look at that. And now to continue the secret sauce, I love this product, nutritional yeast. It's the same type of yeast that you use to make bread, but it doesn't rise. And this has just loaded with vitamins and has a great nutty flavor, which when you add with the Smart Balance, actually makes it taste like cheese. So your spinach for your kids can actually taste like macaroni and cheese. Don't take my word for it. Give it a try. And I'm telling you, you're going to be very surprised. Stir that in there, and you get this really creamy, cheesy, and it is delicious. Before I finish, you can also do this with broccoli and cabbage. Delicious. Let's talk tomorrow.